Ever yawned just because someone else did? Yeah, that's not your imagination. Yawning isn't only about being tired. Your brain uses it to cool itself down, a quick deep breath reset when it overheats. But here's the strange part. Yawns are contagious because of empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors their state, like emotional Wi-Fi. Studies show people with higher empathy yawn back more often. It's your brain's way of saying, I feel you. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, you're not tired, you're connecting. Follow Fact Dosage for your daily curiosity boost.